PACE Career Planner is a student's career counseling office in Bhopal. It has a vision. PACE Career Planner aims to provide latest services in career counseling to the youngest nation. It is headed by Arjuman. It came into being in 2019. It is working continuously for empowering youth in career selection and planning. How it works? So PACE Career Planner provides counseling in all fields of career counseling that include profiling, stream selection, course selection, college selection, and preparing for abroad education.
Counseling. Basically, what is career? Career is a work which you will do to earn a living in your future. जो आप काम करना चाहेंगे, basically that is a career. और वो काम आपकी पसंद का हो या ना हो, ये बहुत मैटर करता है ना? और आपकी पसंद का हो, आपकी कैपेबिलिटीज का हो. पसंद तो हमें कुछ भी आ सकता है, पर हम कर सकते हैं या नहीं, ये हमें क्षमता है उस काम को करने की. दैट इज लाइक करियर प्लानिंग. तो करियर काउंसलिंग इज बेसिकली वी हेल्प द चिल्ड्रन थ्रू साइकोमेट्रिक टूल्स टू फाइंड themselves, their inner strengths, their aptitude, their personality, their their likings, and we conduct face-to-face meetings with them. In these sessions, we find out strengths of the child, what are the capabilities of the child, what is the aptitude of the child. Then we interpret both the reports, which we use, and the face-to-face meeting, then interpret both and then we suggest them the best suitable careers for them. Okay, so this is how it happens, and then child can select the whatever choice he likes. He can select the career choice, and then we help them how to move on that career path to reach the dream career destination. बेसिकली आप जिस चीज के काबिल हैं, आपकी जो क्षमताएं हैं, उसके बेसिस पे हम आपको करियर ऑप्शंस देते हैं. बिकॉज देयर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ऑप्शंस इन एवरी स्ट्रीम. जनरली एक ये मिथ है कि साइंस स्ट्रीम लेने से आपके पास ज्यादा करियर ऑप्शंस होती है. ये बहुत बड़ा मिथ है. ह्यूमैनिटीज, कॉमर्स, एवरी स्ट्रीम हैज थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ऑप्शन, जो कि एक बच्चा अकेला नहीं ढूंढ पाता है. We through our experience, we give them lot many choices. बच्चा उसमें से चूज कर सकता है. फिर हम उस बच्चे को बताते हैं कि हाँ, आपने उस रास्ते पे चलना कैसे है. सपोज क्लास 10th के बाद ये जर्नी शुरू होती है. आपको सब्जेक्ट्स क्या लेने हैं, आपको कॉलेज में कोर्सेज कौन सा चूज करना है, फिर विच कॉलेज इज द बेस्ट विच ऑफर्स दैट कोर्स, वहाँ पे एडमिशन कैसे होगा, क्या टाइमलाइंस हैं, what extra courses you can do to for your success in the future. Academics के अलावा स्कूल में भी और कॉलेजेस में भी आप एक्स्ट्रा क्या कोर्सेज कर सकते हैं, ताकि आपका प्रोफाइल एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोफाइल बन जाए. और जब आप कॉलेज से निकलें तो आप एक सेटिस्फाइड जिंदगी जिए. क्योंकि वर्क प्लेस पे हमारी ऑलमोस्ट 1/3 जिंदगी हमारी वर्क प्लेस पे गुजरती है. तो वो बहुत ही खुशनुमा जगह होनी चाहिए जहाँ पे हम कंफर्टेबल रहें. सो करियर प्लानिंग शुड बी डन लाइक दिस, एंड वी हेल्प द स्टूडेंट डू लाइक इट.
Counseling is very important for children today because options for the child to have a career in has enormously increased. When we were children, options were very less. Medical, engineering, normal, normal graduation streams, but aaj to the number of options which are there are enormous. So therefore, the child is not in a position to be able to know all the options. Even parents who come from different industries would know about their industry well, where they are working, but because it is not their job as a counselor, they would also be not aware of all the options which are available to them, to their children. Uske upar, when we were younger, we chose our careers basically on depending on what our friends were doing, what our peers were doing, what our relatives were doing, what my parents were. If my parents were doctors, probably I would go into the medical stream. Aaj to aisa nahi hai. Things are changing now, and children are learning that there are so many options. Abhi to it's more of digital technology in the digital world coming in. So all that makes it very important for career counselors who are able to guide the child properly. Now, as Sneha ma'am had said before, we use psychometric assessment tools. These are scientific tools which are used, and which without, asking direct questions to a child, we are able to find out what the interest or inherent interest of the child is. Now, once that is done, it becomes easier for a counselor, because based on that, the tool is always a guiding tool. It can never give you a complete answer, but it is the counselor who is needed to interpret the tool properly and then guide the child accordingly as to what stream the child should go into, what is the child's aptitude towards a particular subject. So the counselor can help choose the stream before class 10, that is in class 9, at the end of class 8. They can help to choose the stream again in class 11 if required. Then they again help in deciding a career in class 12 onwards, and therefore help to choose the right universities, the right courses, which will help the child to achieve their academic goal. So basically, career counselor's work is not a one-day work. It is a hand-holding process for the child. Step by step through all the journey, the counselor can guide the child to achieve their proper goal.